List building is essentially a method of creating a list of like-minded individuals on the web who are already interested in the type of services or products that your online business offers. Simply put, your list is the first and primary resource through which you can hope to attain the greatest success at selling whatever it is that you have to offer. However, if you fail to cultivate a responsive and enthusiastic list of customers, it is unlikely that you will ever make any substantial profits. It is imperative that you create a list of targeted clients who will be interested in what you are selling. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about list building techniques, how to use social media to increase your list building. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you are looking to achieve these goals, then list building methods such as email marketing opt-in lists are going to provide the necessary platform. These lists will enable you to promote and sell your products and services directly to these individuals. In this regard, you will be required to create different segments within your opt-in email list based upon different interests that the individual may hold. It is possible for you to include a selection of more than one interest. The benefits of email marketing via opt-in lists are twofold. Firstly, it allows you to build relationships with prospective subscribers who are likely to open and read your emails. Secondly, it enables you to provide subscribers with valuable information and content and therefore increase the likelihood of repeat subscriptions. This form of list building will also assist you in reaching out to a much broader audience. This is achieved through the use of email marketing tools such as autoresponders. Through this technique, you will be able to effectively market your products and services to potential clients in a manner that is more personalized and targeted. An email marketing campaign should always aim to generate a lead database. In order to achieve this, you will be required to collect contact details from those who wish to receive information on your products and services. You can then utilize these contact details to build your list. It is possible to obtain list building software that will enable you to automatically build and maintain contact details from your opt-in email addresses. Alternatively, you may prefer to use a list building service that will carry out the tasks for you. When conducting an email marketing campaign, you will need to ensure that you only ever deliver information to those who have requested it. Opt-in marketing allows you to offer useful information and content to your contacts in return for them providing their contact details. Consequently, you should never make this process too simple. All forms of list building require you to take the appropriate pains to ensure that you contact those who are interested. You should never send promotional email addresses to those who have requested such information in the first place. This approach can have the effect of turning away potential customers. If you are a marketer who is brand new to list building, it is likely that you will want to build up your list gradually. In order to achieve this, it is important to offer your subscribers free information every few weeks. This way, you will be able to build a relationship with these subscribers. You should also ensure that you send out informative emails to your subscribers at regular intervals. For example, you should send them a newsletter once a month or so. In this way, they will become familiar with you and will trust what you say. With your list building campaign is nearing an end, you may find that it is time to make use of one of the best ways to grow your list, and that is through social media accounts. There are various social media accounts that allow you to let the world know about your product or service. You can also use these social media accounts to promote your own website and your own blogs. The great thing about these social media accounts is that subscribers are allowed to post comments regarding your posts, and the more comments you make, the more popular you become. Another great way to increase your list building is to make contact with your subscribers by sending out newsletters. Once again, it is important to keep the subscribers' interests in mind and to offer them something new on a regular basis. It is also a good idea to create a newsletter thread that will allow members to discuss topics with their peers. However, one thing that you need to remember is that in order for your subscribers to have an interest in what you are offering, you should make sure that you stay in touch with them regularly. In this way, you will be able to maintain a strong relationship with your target market. Thanks for watching my video about list building techniques. How to use social media to increase your list building. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.